Hey everyone, how's it going? And this is a OptiFuel fuel saver legit or scam review. Short answer, this is a scam. Don't fall for these things because it has a lot of suspicious reviews, no explanation of technology, and like the OBD2 plugins don't directly increase your MPG, things like that. There's also steep discounts and timed offers, and that is like very much suspicious if you call it. This is not only a scam but also a poorly engineered capital gadget, things like that, and there's a good chance that it will damage your car's electrical system. As you can see, there's more things like this, and it is a hoax basically. And don't go for these things, guys. If you can afford a car, I would say go for trusted things that actually provide value to your car instead of these scams that you just randomly see on the internet and decide to go for them. But yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.